So this question is asking how to convert this infix expression to postfix. And so the best way to do this is by using a stack again. And as I mentioned before, our operands will not be put in the stack, but our operators will be. And so that's something important to know. So we're going to start by having A. And then because we have an operator, we're going to push that into our stack. And then B. And then we have this plus symbol. And because this plus symbol has a lesser precedence than this multiplication symbol in our stack, we're going to pop that multiplication symbol and empty out our stack. And then we're going to push in that plus sign, right? And then we're going to output C. And then because our next one is of greater precedence, we're going to push that in to our stack. It's a multiplication symbol. And then we're going to do D. And now since we're done with our expression, we're going to pop everything and empty out our stack. And we're going to end up with this answer. So it's perfect. Yeah.